Although less favorable than the almighty painting or installation, sculpture is still widely explored by contemporary artists. We bring you the 10 famous sculpture artists 21st century. Joana Vasconcelos, Portuguese artist and sculptor. Joana Vasconcelos creates monumental works made out of everyday objects. Her sources range from pots and tissues to mirrors and tampons. Her notably domestic objects question the role of women in patriarchal society, allowing her to create engaging and feminist works. Jaume Plensa, Spanish sculptor. Jaume Plensa is exhibited in many international museums. Not only did he win the prestigious Velázquez Prize, he also teaches at both the Beaux-Arts School in Paris and the Chicago School of Art. His work largely consists of large-scale faces and human forms in public spaces. Paul McCarty, American artist and sculptor. Paul McCarty is best known for his highly controversial works. He left residents particularly angry when he erected his provocative statue, Tree, in Place Vendôme in Paris. Louise Bourgeois, French-American sculptor. Louise Bourgeois is known worldwide for her famous giant spiders. Even after her death in 2010, her spiders can still be seen in several locations, where the large black arachnids symbolize her mother. Themes of family, memory and childhood are prominent in her works. Thomas Schütte, the German artist and sculptor. Thomas Schütte was a student of famous painter Gerhard Richter. Heavily influenced by Richter, Schütte went on to spearhead contemporary German sculpture. Damien Hirst, the British enfant terrible of the 1990s. Damien Hirst is known for his enormous and fascinating works. The physical impossibility of death in the mind of someone living depicts a shark conserved in a display case of formaldehyde. His art is centered around installation and monumental sculpture, which are often strange and sometimes controversial. Paige Bradley, bronze specialist. Paige Bradley depicts the human form in fascinating ways. Her best-known work, Expansion, depicts a cross-legged woman with a light protruding from her cracked body. Antony Gormley, also fascinated by the body and the relationship between time and space is British sculptor, Antony Gormley. Gormley even uses his own body to create molds, which are then made up of cubes and geometric forms. Examples of these works can be found near the Thaddeus Ropac Gallery, which represents him. Robert Gober, American artist. Robert Gober plays with the concept of the everyday item. His often disturbing sculptures distort normal objects which surround us, resulting in legs coming out of walls or stalls with breasts. The human body is at the heart of Gober's research and practice. Jeff Koons, a former trader on Wall Street. Jeff Koons is one of the most controversial figures in contemporary art. This controversy is largely due to the fact that he doesn't create his own works. He instead has a team of over 100 assistants who realize the genius creator's ideas. He is also one of the most expensive artists of his generation. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to make the algorithm god happy.